Also, y'all, I quit my job. Hey y'all, it's Imani and I'm back with another vlog. I ain't did a vlog in a minute, so we finna do it right now. I think it's finna be a chill day. Right now I'm finna drive around for a little bit, listen to Nudie album because he just dropped. I'm listening to it right now though. Actually, I got it on the phone. So welcome back. Talk to me in the comments. Say what's up with y'all. Okay, y'all see the braids. Tutorial will be dropped. Ooh, a braid just got caught on my piercing, y'all. I gotta get it taken out. I might make that a vlog because I'm gonna have to go to the shop and get it taken out. My baby in the back, like always. What was I finna say? I forgot what I was about to say, y'all. Oh yeah. Tutorial for this will be posted. I'm kind of confused. I feel like they knotless, but at the same time they kind of box braidish. So it might be a mix between knotless and box braids with the method that I did. I don't really know, but all I know is they really cute and easy protective style. Easy protective style because I'm a mother. I don't have time. Also, y'all, I quit my job. I quit my job last week. I just didn't go back. I'm looking for another job right now because I just didn't feel like working it no more. And you know, I figure like, why I'm gonna keep doing something I don't want to do like that? Just find another job. That's all it is to it. It ain't nothing to it but to do it. But I'm really trying to get on that Best Buy. So I got an interview today actually. I might record me prepping for it or whatever, put that in a vlog, and then I'm gonna do that interview today. It's online though, so I'm gonna do that. Stay tuned. We're gonna see what I get into today. I'm finna rock out to Nudie album. Go to Walmart or whatever. I'll be back once I'm at Walmart. Yeah. Okay. First thing I'm gonna do is go try to look for the sewing machine. Okay, I think this is really cute. So I'm gonna get this for her. They really don't have anything for like smaller kids. So I'm gonna just get this and some socks probably. Okay, I got a good amount of stuff, but I don't have any room to show y'all right now. So I'll show y'all when I get to the car. I'm gonna show y'all what I got out of there. I didn't think they had any socks at first, but they did. But I'm starting to try to get her some stuff for, you know, the break she gets. So I got this. It's a cute little outfit. It's getting hot outside, so I want to start getting like shorts and stuff. This is really cute. Look at the shorts. This is gonna be real cute. Look at it. It's gonna be cute. And then I got some onesies. This 6-9 months. The other ones were 3 to 6 and 6 to 9. And then she needs some socks, so I got some socks. And then these socks go with these onesies. So that's real cute. Okay, yeah, that's it. But on another note, I get Wick, right? And Wick said that they changing I don't know, changing something. So I'm gonna have to start getting her Infamil instead of Similac. And I like, I mean, she's only gonna be 4 months, but I feel like it's a little late trying to switch formulas after she done been on it for so long. But that's just what I'm gonna have to do though. I definitely update y'all on that. But my head itching, I ain't gonna lie. But next, I'm trying to think. I want to get some food. I think I might get some Wendy's, y'all. Y'all know I like Wendy's. I'm at Chick-fil-A, y'all. I changed my mind because I want to get some of this mac and cheese. So, Chick-fil-A. Okay. Imani. Can I get just an 8-count nugget with pot noodle sauce and a small mac and cheese? Yeah, that's it.
It's going to be $8.45.
Okay. Well, can I pay with cash, actually?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll take it right here for you.
Okay.
Here's the change.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Have a good night.
You too. Thank you. You too. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna put up this stuff. I'm gonna eat my food. I'm gonna feed Journey. And I'm tired. I don't know why I be so tired from just like driving around and stuff. I don't know. Probably because my thoughts is on overdrive right now. I'm overthinking too much. But we'll see what the rest of my day looks like though. If y'all was wondering, I'm recording off like an iPhone 12. That's a fun fact. Okay, y'all. Me and Journey are going on a walk now because it feels too good outside. She's still asleep. She been asleep the whole time. When I was grocery shopping, she was asleep. Now she's still asleep. But just going on a little walk. I'll show you what it look like. Y'all can see it's like real pretty out here.
But you still sleep, even though I said it now you should have been peed. I feel it in my soul, yeah, so deep, so deep. You should know that about me, yeah. I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you, yeah. You always say I got an attitude, oh, yeah. But that's you, you was acting rude. I had to ask you if you had a few, cause you always say I got an attitude, oh.
Okay, y'all, I'm finna read this book to Journey. ABC, what can she be? You pinching me, you pinching me. Okay.
But I know when to go and to stop at the green light. Oh, I just turned down your avenue. I had to, but I'm mad at you, yeah. You always say I got an attitude, oh, yeah. But that's you, you was acting rude. I had to ask you if you had a few, cause you always say I got an attitude, oh. So I'm the one that's out of place. I'm the one that's in the way. I don't communicate. I'm so spoiled. So I'm the one that need a break. Like you ain't stay in my place.
Now we finna unbox my sewing machine. This how big it is, just for perspective. Okay. Scissors. Ooh, I don't know how I need a knife. A box cutter. Okay. They really secured this. Okay. This is so exciting. This is what it's looking like. Okay. This is the instruction manual. It's big. This is the buttonhole thing where you can do the buttonholes on your clothes. They got some needles in here too. That's good. This is my big guy right here. Show y'all. Take it out of the package. This is my first sewing machine, y'all. I've been making clothes and doing stuff like that. I put a few pictures of stuff I did. I used to do, like, you know, paint on clothes and stuff like that. But I stopped doing it, and I stopped doing art once I had Journey. But I really want to get back to doing what I want to do in my life. This is a little foot pedal thing. I'll have to do, like, sew the clothes and stuff in the garage just because I don't have any space in my room. But this is it, you guys. It smells so new. It smells so new. These are, y'all see all the different threads it has on it? It got a lot. It got 17 threads. It got the buttonhole. But it's just a little lightweight sewing machine, but it's a full size one. So definitely expect videos with the sewing machine to come, videos of what I come up with, because y'all may or may not know I'm an artist, like I said in like my first video, and I ain't said nobody said. But this is the end of the vlog, you guys. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe for more content. And I'll see y'all good folks next time.
What am I missing? Say like a game on from a sugar daddy or a drug dealer.